Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Colin. Today, please allow me to introduce our factory to you. We are a professional producer of the TWS. We produce for many famous brands, including the Phillips from the Netherlands and other very famous brands. That means we have got a very good quality control. So please follow me. I will show you one by one. Now I'm holding one of the TWS. We can see that we have got a very good painting, the very good design, and this one is for some famous brand. And here you can see the brand's name. Okay, and then we keep going. And this is the charging box for the TWS. We can also find that this charging box is very beautiful because it's for the famous brand in the US market. And I would like to recommend this one of the TWS to you. This one is particularly produced for the women market. We can see that it looks like a cosmetic box, and the TWS itself is also very beautiful. 憑然之後你可以將鏡頭對翻我塊面。Wait a moment, I'm going to show you more. And here we can find that this brand is the Phillips. So, as I said, we produce for many famous brands from the world. Philips is only one of our customers, so we have the ability to serve them well. We can meet their requirements. And then, from this TWS box, we can find that the brand name is Monster. Maybe you know this brand. It's also a professional brand for TWS. This is the package for the Monster. And here is another famous brand. I think maybe some of you already recognize this brand. This is the Soundpeats from the US. And here we find another for the Phillips. So follow me. And here, actually, we only put some of our product here because we cannot put them all here. Later, I will show you our production line. So, I hope I can help your business. Remember me. My name is Colin. Thanks for watching.